What happens if you decline DoorDash orders? Your acceptance rate goes down. Every time you decline an order, your acceptance rates drops. This is just a metrics DoorDash tracks. It does not deactivate your account. You can still keep dashing normally. DoorDash does not punish you directly for declining order. You can continue working and receive new orders as usual. You might see fewer high-paying orders if your acceptance rate is low. You may get fewer priority or high-paying orders compared to dashers with high acceptance rates. You stay eligible. Mostly you won't be deactivated just for declining orders. However, some programs like the Top Dasher is require a high acceptance rate. You keep full control. Declining orders avoid low paying, far distance, or inconvenient deliveries. This helps you maximize earning strategy. Your completion rate matters more. Unlike acceptance rate, your completion rate is important. Dropping too many accepted orders can risk deactivation. It's part of the strategy. Many experienced dashers decline low value orders to increase hourly earnings, so it's a normal part of using the platform. If this helps, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.